In this module, we're going to break down what a digital sales funnel is, how it works, and why it's one of the most important pieces in turning your digital product business into long-term, scalable income. You've probably heard the term funnel before, but let's simplify it. A funnel is just the path a potential customer takes from discovering you, to buying from you, to buying from you again. It's not just a fancy term, it's a system. And when it's done right, it runs 24/7, even while you sleep. Here's what a basic funnel looks like. Step 1. Traffic. This could be someone watching a TikTok, clicking a Pinterest pin, opening your email, or browsing Etsy. It starts with attention. Step 2. Lead magnet. This is something free and valuable, like a checklist, mini planner, or quick start guide, that you give away in exchange for their email address. It builds trust and starts the relationship. Step 3. Tripwire or low-ticket offer. After someone opts in, they're shown a small, irresistible offer. Something between $7 and $27. This isn't about profits, it's about turning a subscriber into a buyer quickly. Step 4. Main product or bundle. This is your core offer. A premium version of your lead magnet or something that solves a bigger problem. Could be a bundle, a full course, or a printable system. Step 5. Follow-up. This is where email marketing shines. You keep showing up with value, and eventually, more offers. Funnels help you do two things at once: build a list of buyers and leads. Increase the value of every person who discovers you. And here's the best part. Funnels don't need to be complicated. You don't need 20 steps, timers, or advanced tools. You just need one free offer, one irresistible low-ticket product, one higher-value solution, and one way to follow up. That's it. If you have the ultimate digital cash flow vault, you already have dozens of lead magnets and products that are perfect for plugging into this kind of funnel. Now let's talk tools. There are a lot of funnel builders out there. Some are simple, some are advanced. Here are some of the most popular options you can explore. System.io. Free to start, beginner-friendly, and includes funnels, emails, and course delivery all in one place. StanStore. Ideal for creators and mobile-first businesses. Clean, easy, and fast to launch. ConvertKit. Mainly for email marketing but includes landing pages and basic funnel automation. Lead Pages. Focused on high-converting landing pages. Simple and great for lead magnets. ClickFunnels. Advanced funnel builder with lots of customization. Best for those scaling quickly. Kartra. All-in-one platform with sales pages, email, and membership features. WordPress Plus Elementor. If you're using a WordPress site, Elementor can help you build custom funnel pages. And of course, if you've picked up the done-for-you WordPress website, your funnel is already structured and ready to customize. You just need to add your products, your logo, and your content. The tool you choose isn't what matters most. What matters is that you start building. Funnels allow you to automate sales, grow your list, and turn a simple store into a real business that earns day and night. In the next module, I'll walk you through how to actually build your funnel using System.io or StanStore with no tech overwhelm.